Imagine saving $200 every month for the next 10 years. That's just $2,400 per year, or $24,000 in a decade. Now, let's compare that to investing a lump sum of $20,000 once. Both scenarios assume a 7% annual return on investment. After 10 years, the $20,000 investment would grow to approximately $32,000. In contrast, the $200 monthly investment would reach $43,000. This significant difference highlights the power of consistent, long-term investing. By investing just $200 per month, you can build wealth over time. It's essential to start early and be consistent with your investments. Dollar cost averaging helps reduce risk and increase returns over the long term. Even small, regular investments can lead to substantial gains. It's time to rethink your investment strategy and start building wealth. Don't rely on lump sum investments alone. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of regular investments and lump sums. This approach can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. By investing $200 per month, you can create a safety net for emergencies. Regular investments can provide a steady stream of income. Consider investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account. This can help you build wealth over time while reducing your tax liability. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your financial goals. Investing $200 per month may not seem like much, but it can add up over time. By starting early and being consistent, you can build a significant nest egg. Consider automating your investments to make saving easier and less painful. Automating your investments can help you stay on track and reach your goals. Investing $200 per month may not be glamorous, but it can be a powerful wealth-building tool. By investing regularly, you can create a safety net and achieve financial independence. Remember, every dollar counts, and consistent investing can lead to substantial gains. Investing $200 per month can help you build a financial safety net and achieve long-term financial goals. Consider investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account to maximize your returns. Investing in a tax-advantaged account can help you build wealth over time while reducing your tax liability. Don't wait until it's too late to start investing for your future. By investing $200 per month, you can create a better financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Regular investments can provide a steady stream of income in retirement. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. A financial advisor can help you optimize your investments and achieve your financial goals. Investing $200 per month can help you build a financial safety net and achieve long-term financial goals. Remember, every dollar counts, and consistent investing can lead to substantial gains. Investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account can help you maximize your returns and reduce your tax liability. Don't wait until it's too late to start investing for your future. By investing $200 per month, you can create a better financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Regular investments can provide a steady stream of income in retirement and help you achieve financial independence. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns. A diversified portfolio can help you achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time. Investing $200 per month can help you build a financial safety net and achieve long-term financial goals. Remember, every dollar counts, and consistent investing can lead to substantial gains. Investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account can help you maximize your returns and reduce your tax liability. Don't wait until it's too late to start investing for your future. By investing $200 per month, you can create a better financial future for yourself and your loved ones.